Why would a hunter be scared of prey? Your cat isn't scared of the bird toy. They're confused by it. Real prey moves with predictable logic. Bird toys don't. The sound, motion, and timing don't match what your cat's brain expects. So instead of hunt mode, their instinct switches to threat assessment. That pause, the backing away, the stare, that's your cat asking, is this safe, or dangerous? Cats only play when prey makes sense. When it doesn't, instinct says avoid. That's why some toys excite cats, and others scare them. This is CatLogic Lab, understanding your cat made simple.